Hello! This video will guide you through the steps required to complete Phase 1 of Housing Renewal. Let's get started. Once you get logged into the housing portal, click on Renew Your Housing at the top, or the Renewal banner here on the main screen. Next, select the academic term you're wishing to renew for. Here, you'll verify some personal information and let us know if you have any housing accommodation needs. If you respond yes, you'll be asked for more details on the next page. Verify your emergency contact and your missing person contact information. Finally, provide us with any emergency medical information you wish to share. Next, it's time to review your housing terms and conditions. Please read this document carefully, as it defines the legal relationship between you and WKU Housing and Residence Life. At the bottom, sign by entering your WKU ID number, and then if you wish, you can print or save a copy of this contract. Next, you'll enter your living preferences. If you have 40 or more credit hours, we'll let you preference apartment-style housing. During Phase 2, you'll choose your own room in your specific residence hall, but in case we need to reassign you at any point, it's helpful to have these living preferences listed. If you're eligible to select apartment housing, we'll require 4 preferences. Otherwise, 3 will do. Additionally, if you need university break or extended living, make sure to include that as your top preference. Now you'll update your roommate matching questions. These answers will carry over from the last housing application you completed, but take time to consider if anything has changed or if there's anything you'd like roommates to know differently. Enter a short description of yourself so people can get to know you and find you in the roommate matching portal. You can create a new or update your screen name. Now, if you have a specific roommate in mind, you can search for them, or you can review suggested roommates based on roommate preferences. If you're eligible to renew to your same room or squat, your room space will be listed here. If you are ineligible to squat in your room, you'll receive some additional instructions. Select the bed space in your room you'd wish to go, and if you're pulling in a roommate, you'll be able to assign them here as well. That's it. You successfully completed Phase 1 of Housing Renewal. Keep an eye on your WKU email for additional details coming about Phase 2.